Hello everybody, here's my latest commission, and you're going to say, oh no, not that one again. Actually, the last one was 10 months ago, and this time the client has asked for it to be twice the size, twice the area, which is great because it's given me the opportunity to explore the background more and the vignette effect. The octopus is the same size as in the other ones, but the vignette is normally light sea, dark interior of the cave, but this time we've got 4 bands. So we've got the very light, and then the slightly in shade as we enter the cave, and then the cave on the other hand gets lighter as it goes around, and then the very dark background. Now what's interesting about this is if you look at the work in progress pictures from very early on, the octopus seems really overwhelmed by all this stuff that's going on around him, all looming down on him. But of course now it's all mosaic and it's all dark, it all blends in. In fact, you really have to look carefully to see all the detail. And I really like that about it. And I have clients who trust me with that because it looks very odd very early on. I think it's a great success. I think it's number 1,000, just doing a rough estimation. It'd be lovely if it was my 1,000th mosaic because I think it's one of my best. Andrew thinks it's actually the best mosaic I've ever made. My friend Bill agrees with that. So maybe I'm doing something right after all these years and after 1,000 attempts. Anyway, who knows? As usual, there's an accompanying verse, which goes like this. My friend the octopus. I love being with Octopus in his cave. In fact, we think it's all the rave. I want to write it down. He really makes me think. If only I could find some blooming black ink.